In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a default font in Microsoft Word. This is a handy trick, especially if you often find yourself adjusting the font every time you start a new document. By setting your preferred font as the default, you can save time and ensure consistency across your projects. To begin, open Microsoft Word and create a new blank document. Once inside your document, direct your attention to the top of the screen where the main ribbon is located. Here, you'll see various tabs. Click on the Home tab. This is where you'll find different groups of text formatting options. Now, within this section, look for the font group. It's usually the fourth group from the left. In the bottom right corner of this group, there's a small arrow, almost like a secret button. Go ahead and click on that. This action will open up the font dialog box. It might look a bit overwhelming at first, but don't worry. Here, you'll find an array of options that allow you to customize the appearance of your text. Take your time to select your preferred font, such as Times New Roman or Arial, whichever suits your needs best. Then, choose the font style, whether that's regular, bold, or italic. Next, decide on the size. Generally, a size between 10 and 12 is standard for most documents, but feel free to adjust it as you like. You can also select a color if you want your text to stand out. This is your chance to set a style that reflects your personal taste or organizational standards. Once you're satisfied with your selections, look toward the bottom left of the dialog box for a button that says Set as Default. Depending on your version of Word, it may simply say Default. Clicking this button is crucial because it tells Word that these are the settings you want to apply automatically in the future. After clicking, a prompt will pop up on your screen. This is where you decide how widespread these changes will be. If you only want these settings to apply to the current document you're working on, choose This Document Only. However, if you'd prefer that every new document you create uses this font, select All Documents based on the normal .tm template, which is the default template Microsoft Word refers to when creating blank documents. Once you've made your choice, click OK. You might need to click OK again if prompted. This confirms and saves your settings. Now comes the moment of truth. Close Microsoft Word completely and then reopen it, creating a new blank document once more. Check to see if your default font settings are in effect. If you followed the steps closely, your new document should automatically display the text in your preferred font choices, sparing you the effort of manual changes every time you start anew. And there you have it. You've just set a new default font in Word, streamlining your workflow and adding a touch of personal flair to each document.